How will keep their revenge?
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 20th of August 2025, we are bringing this news to you live and direct. It is happening in Okigwe. The war that is going on in Okigwe, that is the guerrilla warfare that is going on in Okigwe between the Biafran Liberation Army and the Musa guys is still going on, guys. It is still on. As Musa guys, we are given a mandate to make sure that they bring in Gentle the Yahoo, dead or alive, or some other commanders of the Biafran Liberation Army. So, we can acquire so many places in Okigwe. But the unfortunate news about all these things is that some innocent ones are being caught across the fire. Some innocent people are being by most of innocent citizens of Okigwe has lost their ancestral home because the Musa guys set the ancestral home on fire. I don't know why they are burning people's house. According to them, maybe they think that the Umama people or the Biafran Liberation guys used to come there to stay or to harbor or to hide. I don't know. But so many people have left Okigwe. So many citizens have lost their ancestral home in Okigwe. So many have traveled to Maya, Aba, Owerri, and some other parts of Biafra land because of the intense war that is still going on in Okigwe at the moment. So I don't know when this thing is going to stop. I don't know. They are seriously looking for Gentle the Yahoo. They are seriously looking for Njemeko. They are seriously looking for other commanders of the Biafran Liberation Army because they want to buy them. They want to stop them. They want them dead or alive. That is the mandate that is given to them.
First come, first collect. Quite high. How about how Woto house on? Mpori. I got me a heber. How wouldn't do she? How wouldn't do she? Did not pass. Nigeria so well. Born with her. We are not a Nigeria. We are a Biafra. We are Biafra. I'm with Biafra. Ganga no wine. No wine kibia. No wine. Nazo me. No wine nacho. Nazo. No wine let me. Ganga. Go eating. Woman and hair. Ganga woman and hair. All me. It's wrong. After winning well, watch her. After I bought Haley Labra. Yes, you go on a habata. Still liquid. Ha collect her with the Ha collect her with the I collect her with the Ha collect her with the like a more Biafra. Like a Biafra soldiers. I collect her. I said tomorrow, no, then. Omo Biafra army, not they fear them. We know they fear them. The only Biafra we need. We are not a Nigeria. I got one Nigeria for one day. Because I got watch on share. Thunder fire them, mama, them papa. Musa, Ega Musuda, and to Abig down. Eda fono, Onyoshi, Ibira Kibia Bezuo, Indile Jesunaco. Ibia Kibia Bezuko, Indizu Frolaco. Ibia Kibia Wako, Ulondiaco, Eba Wako. ebe agbachapụkwa ya ọkụ onwezi ụlọ fọrọ ala akụ eji afọ ọnụ ịsa eji afọ ọnụ ahụ ọnụ ga-efọcha achịcha.
Now, if you watch this video, you can see that Biafran Liberation Army are boasting because of what they did to Musa guys. You know, Hatirifa, Obinigwe na Otago, or Basasia, their more tanker, and some other places because they got an information that this is the location where the Biafran Liberation Army are staying. So they were taking that part or that road into the bush to go and fight them. But unfortunately, they didn't know that the Biafran Liberation Army got wind of what is happening, and they have already set a trap for them, and they enter into that trap. So their car was damaged, and they have to return back after an intense of how many hours of gunshot, exchange of fire. So they returned back home, and the Biafran Liberation boys went back to their own camp. Now, this thing is still going on in Okigwe. The innocent ones are the ones that are suffering these things. That is the people, the citizens of Okigwe. They are the ones that are suffering in all these things that is happening. Because I remember that one of the posts of Gentle Yahoo, he advised some Okigwe citizens to leave Okigwe at the moment because of what is going to take place. And they said it like they know exactly what is going to happen, because this one is much more. This one is too much. What is going on in Okigwe at the moment is too much. So many innocent people are going down. Who is next tomorrow? May God save us. May God save Okigwe. Let there be peace in Biafran land.
Thunder go fire your generation. Thunder fire you, your papa and your mama, your generation. You got the end. Nimala Biafran. You got the end. Na Biafran at all. Ndị zuna ị ga-eso ha ala obodo. Ị ga-akwapụla ala Biafra. Ala Biafra ga-echewu. Mmụọ na ala Biafra ga-echewu. Sofa ị na-eri nri na ala Biafra. Ị na-aṅụ mmiri na ala Biafra. Ị na-agbada ala agbada ụkwụ na ala Biafra ụkwụ. Ala Biafra ga-echewu. Ala Biafra ga-echewu leke. Ogechewu lori. Ogechewu afọ, ogechewu na nkwụ. Ahịa n'ụbọchị na-anọ ala Biafra ga-echewu. Ala ekwecha ya. Ya ga Ogbunigwe la hali. Ogbunigwe la hali. Ọcha. Ọ nga. Amọta ka ole kunu to irela. Amọta ka ole kunu dọkwadokwala. Ihe a na-eme unu. Ihe a na-eme unu. Unu bịa izu ụmụ Biafra oshi. Mụnụ nwa ma ụmụ Biafra, ụmụ Igbo. N'ekpọrọ nwe hụ ndị Igbo. Na-eshulu ukwu eri nri. Na-eshulu ukwu na-eri nri. Eji ahụ ọnụ na-edisivu arị unu. Eji ahụ ọnụ na-edisivu arị unu. Ma anụ ọhịa ibi ya ko eri ya ihe ọkụ eri ya. Amekwe ya eke. Agbakwa ya egbe. O burukwe akwụkwọ lisi. Gasif ka oshiri ewu. Thunder fire you, fire your generation. Thunder agbagbuo. Eji ahụ ọ na-edi ewu. Sibịa nwere ka ụmụchukwu ji si wee kwado. Sibịa nwere ka ụmụchukwu si wee nụrụ. Sibịa nwere otu ụmụ Biafra si agara. Ga-eji wara ya bata. Palekwecha ya nga Ogbunigwe. Nga Ogbunigwe lakwa ha n'iyi. Lekwe ya. Ogbunigwe kwuru okwu. Material kwuru okwu. Ọ sụrụ azụ. Yesterday. Woto lekwecha ya. Lekwe ya. Lekwe ya. Ọcha nga Ogbunigwe. Gbarisecha ahụ. Ọ ga Ogbunigwe gbarisecha ahụ. Lekwe ya. Ogbunigwe sọrọ ha nkwụ. Ogbunigwe mere ha ịwa yesterday. Receive video woto n'aka ụmụ Biafra. Pa ndị mpa. Lekwe ya. Ha ga-abịa macha n'ihu. Unu ga-abịa ma n'ihu. Ebe niile ma ọhịa ebe niile wụ Ogbunigwe na ebe niile. And ready for no one. Yeah, we dey ready. Yeah, unu ga-ahụ ife unu na-erula akụ amọdụ niile ha ga-agwụchicha tọnda fire unu nga ke tọnụ after ndị kọ ya na-azụ receive ya hot open n'ihu ka ọ laa ekili ahụ road tọnda fire ọ ga-abịa tukwu ọ ga-abịa kwụwa mpụrụ ka ọ collect ya n'onwe ya panepa yọbata monster.
Nonso Okwa here has also exposed the ongoing in Imo State. Most times we can agree that bad belle politicians are the ones behind all this insecurity that is going on in Imo State. You know this guy they call Ogu Mozambique. Yes, we know that guy. We remember him, the guy with bears. That time he died about 12 or 14 children, you know, teenagers, tagging them Omoma. And so that time ESN is still on board, tagging them Omoma, tagging them ESN. He died them. And after an uproar from Imo State citizens, the guy ran away, or Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, defended him. But right now from Nonso Okwa, he is saying that the guy is back again, doing the same thing, buying people because they have tribal mark, buying people because there are some kind of, all these traditional treatments. Anaka mmadụ rezonarụ wee treatie mmadụ enwezi onye ọbụla akazi rezonarụ ọ bụrụzie na onye ahụ bụ onye ụmụọma ọ bụrụzie na onye ahụ gwọrọ ọgwụ egbe wee chọzie ka a ga-esi egbuo ya ọ bụrụ na onye ahụ enwetawughị ego ka o wee beruo onwe ya, they will not buy the person. All these things is going on in Imo State. When is it going to stop? When is this thing going to stop? Imo State is now like a burial ground. It is not good though. It is not good though. May the God of Almighty, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the God of Biafra land, may He save us, the God of our ancestors, come to the rescue of the Biafran people, most especially in Imo State.
A very, very quick one. Another disturbing report from our mama. And this thing has been happening over the years. I get chete obubu eburu omaka umokrobia 14 young men she otulu bia traditional marriage na one mama. That should be 2022 or so. Yeah, 2022. Ebeburu 14 young men from Otulu. Wundebra traditional wedding na one mama. Tag na how IPOB members. And the guy in the center of this whole drama, this whole ugly incident, Ogu Mozambique, has continued to terrorize our mama. And I begin to wonder the kind of government we have in Imo State. I begin to wonder the kind of government that allows one individual to wield the power, a deadly power against the community. A deadly power within that area. One mama army na even also within that particular neighborhood. The report of this Ogu Mozambique has been coming. And we thought that by now, DSS or police must have done something about this Ogu Mozambique of a man. As he should be mama Gabon kashi go shilota that period here mekwara. And I am on issue bubago na that area. And the people have been reporting what this guy has been doing. Actually, Izuogu Mozambique, our Wuhonibo, no matter how saga. Our Wuhonibo. Our man and went mark, tribal mark, and they went tribal mark. That's from the Honorable Ogu Mozambique. Men when they had about tribal mark, Mero Jala, a woman people. Now that is of our mama and Amini. No Krobia one tribal mark. Ogu Mozambique ebuo. Government they are aware. Government agency no they are aware. DSS they are aware. Police they are aware. Of that guy in Abadia. No they know ebubago commander. Aban Kitty, an individual, and they waste the life of young men. And I know I'm not going side ever. I'm not going that side. That area. We have gotten reports. The problem with this government war, they can never take your report serious as far as you are not an APC member. As far as you're not coming from this government, they can never take you serious. They will tag you opposition, like they have always tagged in Osokwa. They will tag you enemy of the state, that like they have always tagged in Osokwa. They will tag you, let you also hand about themselves. Hand about IPOB, ESS spokesman. I heard they will tag you everything. They will tag you second Nnamdi Kanu because you are speaking up for your people. Because you are telling them, do not kill your people. Do not kill your people. Do not kill your young ones. Because they are the hope. They are the people that will take over this particular small nation, this Igbo nation, when we are no more. State. But this government will never listen to voices of reasons. They will never listen to voices of reasons. Ogu Mozambique na bam side ebe oru east and oru west. Na make agasi no ya with that side. Na make agasi na another government that side. When we have a statutory security agents, an individual, civilian for that matter, not known by the federal government, not known by the constitution, not known by any exultant law of the land. But because yana government East, we are not saying that the only will cause against security. Only will say unknown gunmen or whatever they tag themselves. But they are contributing to insecurity. We are not saying that the security agents should not move in, get them arrested, get them prosecuted. Always not here open fire. See open no fire. We are not saying that only about causing security in Imo State. Get but we give back any more. So no any more na pam. See megi ha na money no ni more here. Na kwesi no ni more here buebe. There are things you people don't understand. When you shed innocent blood, the land will suffer. The society will suffer. Some of you because you have small power. You can waste life. Go to cell. I see this Ogu Mozambique when an army. Go to his cell. Go to his cell. He got many young men packed there. And about here go 1.5 million, 2 million, 500,000 before Ogu Mozambique release you. Before Ogu Mozambique release you. I'm an away him. I'm an away him. But okay, during the youth, yet you have a government that's supposed to save lives and properties. In Imo State. In Imo State. But so incitement. That is the only thing, the only language they know in Imo State government. Incitement. When we speak for our people, when we say do not kill the innocent, Imo State, the insecurity, the buebe, that is right. Why would you people kill innocent young men? Because no one a tribal mark. Because na career here because no one born a no mark. Because no one here career no because all the road on road to Shirioria. Buye. Who's on Kayeri, Yawro Bukogro, Yawro Deshiko Kayanaho. God and the earth are taking records of what is happening in Imo State under this government. Under this government, Okigwe Biafra is taking note. Once you have shedded innocent blood, you must die. Shedding innocent blood, the life you cannot give, you are taking it. And I just no, when I want back it in Imo State. And I no East, I no West. And then you don't demand a gunamani, you didn't demand now one mama. Instead, I go to Mozambique. And I go to Mozambique. Because he Because you go up. Give one again at the Gorobu, or we go up. I'm asking Ogu Mozambique. In a Chundi Gorobu, in a Chundi Gorodeshi, give one again, or we go out dish, or we go up. I don't blame you. I blame Daniel that power. I don't blame you. I blame Daniel that power. Him again, our mama and the America and the neighborhood. I don't blame you. But I ain't gonna team. I ain't gonna team. What is going on in Imo State? That the government questioning to protect life and property is so laissez-faire about the first responsibility. Questioning them done actually. Ubochinta, anyị ga-achụrịrị ya n'Owerri echi. Ụbọchị nta, ihe n'ụbọchị nta. Ụbọchị nta, anyị achụ ya n'Owerri echi. Let the world know. Let Amnesty International know. Let United Nations know that Imo State, they are caring only for themselves, and the government only, not social government, the rest in Imo State are sacrificial lambs. Usobadro, I gana ganu bia and the jiganaka. Chukwokika biama. On a deco. On a deco. Mbosoga hyo. Mbosoga oto. Onya sekwala. Kedi hemenen kejim kemenen jime. Mon kemenen nejihume. No problem. Ubochengo konabia. The day of reckoning is coming. For Onyobola Akayade in the killing of innocent youths of Imo State. If you like. Chuan on Sompa. If you like, plan why you're evil. But I want to tell you that when he get there, I told you, and I will keep telling you, that they make lumala, okikekerowa, obidibwe, omandebundo.
The buy-in is too much. Enough is enough. Thank you, fans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Please, can we interact in our comment section? We all love you. Bye.